Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 5 times 5 divided by 5 times 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 5 times 5 gives us 25. And again here we have 5 times 5. So 25 divided by 25 is just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25. So 25 divided by 5, then times 5. Now we have to do this division. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. So we have 5 times 5, which equals 25. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 25.